You can go home not knowing what you're gonna make for lunch or dinner and be ready because you're like, I know I got my protein, I know I got my spices, I know I have my sauces, and I can make anything. Let's go. That's what the snack is. It's to help you get to your next meal. It's not a meal in between a meal, all right? It's to help you get to your next meal, and we try to do it as healthy as possible. So this whole eating healthy thing doesn't have to be hard. You just have to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a few meals that I like to have that just keeps it so simple. As long as you keep your kitchen stocked properly, you keep your fridge stocked, your freezer, and your pantry stocked right, it ain't hard, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, so check out these ideas. I'm gonna show you something you can make for breakfast, for lunch, a snack, and it's all gonna be high protein. So if that's something you're looking for, check this video out. Come on now. All right, I got a great beef meal for you. Now, no matter where you're at, whatever grocery store you're at, just go look for some of these items. Like I said, I'm here at Target. Target has these, so your local grocery store should have them. The one thing that I like to use, you don't have to use these if you don't want to, but these sirloin steak strips, all right? These are great. Now, you're gonna get you about 3 to 4 meals out of this container right here. So 4 ounces coming in at 190 calories, 10 grams of fat, and 24 grams of protein. All right, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make it either a lunch or a dinner that is super quick. If you just keep items like this in stock, no more excuses. I'm trying to show you meals that you can stay ready with, okay? So what I want you to do is just cook up 4 ounces or however much you need to cook to meet your protein goals. Cook up that much, and the easiest way to do this is to season it with your favorite taco seasoning. All right, it just makes it so simple, okay? You don't have to use much, but something like this is a great idea, all right? Whatever kind of taco seasoning you want to get, they sell these little packs right here. You only need to use a little bit for that amount of meat that you're cooking. Don't go dump this whole thing on there. What you can do, just add a little bit of taco seasoning, add a little bit of water as the meat is cooking, and your kitchen's gonna be smelling good. I use this stuff all the time, all right? So just use a little bit. When you're done, just fold that joker over, clip it, and put it in the fridge until your next meal, all right? So just a little bit to taste. They also have different kind if you want. Look, this one right here, this taco, this one's really good as well, okay? So get you a few of these, just keep them in stock, keep them in the pantry. Make sure you check the labels and see what fits your personal diet. Yes, spices do have a little bit more sodium in them, so check with your doctor and see how much sodium you need to get for your personal diet, okay? But there's all kinds of different flavors. They got all kinds of different flavors for you, okay? Now, the easiest thing to do when that meat is cooking, what you can do on a separate pan, this is what I like to do on a separate pan while that meat's cooking. I like to make my veggies, whatever kind of veggies you want to go with, but I don't know if it can get much easier, something like this. Bam. Fajita veggies. You can find fajita veggies in the frozen food section. Go get you a bag of these. You will be using them a lot. All right, all the stores sell these in a frozen food section. Keep them in the freezer because when it's time to get down with a quick and easy beef high protein meal, it's gonna be tasting great. All right, so what I like to do is just cook these in a separate pan, a little bit of oil or however you want to cook them. You know, you can steam these in a separate pan or you can put them in the oven if you want to. You can air broil them, however you want to get down. You can even air fry them, okay? But as the beef is cooking, cook these, and then when the beef is almost done, you just add it to the beef. There it is right there. That's your meal, okay? You can have it just like that. You can put it over something like this, some type of salad. You can have your high protein salad, all right? It's just so many different options. If you keep something like this in your fridge, you can make you a quick and easy salad, okay? You can put it over rice if you want to. My preferred rice is jasmine rice. You can do that, or just however you want to get down. You can just put it over some broccoli if you want to. Broccoli is great, okay? Whatever your favorite vegetable is, the more vegetables, the better. It's gonna help fill you up. You're gonna get more vitamins. You're gonna get more fiber. You're gonna get your protein from the meat. You put all this together, man, it is so simple, okay? It is such a simple way to get you a quick and easy meal with stuff that you're gonna have in your fridge and in your freezer and in your pantry. If you keep your kitchen stocked, there's no more excuses. You don't have to worry about what you're gonna make tonight for dinner. You can go home not knowing what you're gonna make for lunch or dinner and be ready because you're like, I know I got my protein, I know I got my spices, I know I have my sauces, and I can make anything. Let's go. I'm trying to show you ways to do it. Keep these items in stock and it makes it much easier. Now, another way to have a high protein breakfast, if you wanna get down, you already got the meat. Go ahead, cook you up some of this right here. Then add a cup of liquid egg whites. A cup of liquid egg whites is around 25, 26 grams of protein. So simple. So what you can do, you can cook the meat, you can cook the egg whites, and then when they're done, just mix them in together. You can get you around 40 grams of protein for breakfast. That's just protein. Come on now. On that breakfast right there with the meat and the egg whites, just go grab your favorite salsa. All right, throw a little bit of salsa on there. It doesn't take much. Get you a little bit, put it on there. It just packs a ton of flavor. And I'm telling you, your kitchen's gonna be smelling good. If you have some low carb tortillas, you can make breakfast tacos with the quickness, low carb, high fiber, high protein breakfast. All right, it's that simple. If you keep stuff like this in stock, this makes it much easier, okay? All right, so when it's snack time, that can either throw you off or it can help you, all right? So what I'm gonna show you is a couple of my go-to snack options I like to use to help me stay on track. I try to keep the protein as high as possible, but also to keep me as full as possible to help me get to my next meal. That's what the snack is to help you get to your next meal. It's not a meal in between a meal, all right? It's to help you get to your next meal, and we try to do it as healthy as possible. Some of the items I like to use, one of my go-to options, especially here at Target, if you have a Target available, go look for this right here, okay? Good culture cottage cheese. Now these little guys right here, 19 grams of protein. I have these all the time. These are a great quick morning breakfast. It is a great snack. It's just a great way to get 19 grams of protein. If you can't find good culture, go with whatever cottage cheese you want to go with. But man, I'm trying to tell you, good culture is good stuff, all right? If you get down with good culture, let me know, or let me know what your favorite cottage cheese is. Put it in the comments. It can probably help us all out, all right? Now, another one of my go-to favorites is this right here, string cheese. I don't know what it is. String cheese is just great, okay? Now, this is the light string cheese. You can get the regular ones as well. Now, one cheese right here is going to get you 7 grams of protein. You can put it with the cottage cheese and just have your high protein snack like that, right? Or you can just have the string cheese by itself. One of my other go-to options is the string cheese, an apple, and a carbonated water. All right, that's a great snack that'll help you get to your next meal. You're gonna get you some fiber from the apple. You're gonna get you some protein from the string cheese, and it's a great option. But let's talk about these yogurts here real quick, okay? Now, the one thing good about Target, they have plenty of yogurt options. I mean, if you want to, if you don't have a spoon, then go with the drinks. It just really matters how much protein you're trying to get. So Ratio has one right here. Ratio is great. If you've had these, you let me know. These are great. All right, 26 grams of protein, so easy to drink. You can take these with you if you're going to drop the kids off at school. Quick and easy meal. You're going to be driving around. Whenever the hunger kicks in, you got to be ready to kick back. I'm trying to tell you, you have to stay ready. I'm trying to show you ways to stay ready. Okay, so go grab your these. If you don't want to go with Ratio, Chobani's got you covered with 30 grams right here. This is a great and easy. This is an easy breakfast too. If you don't have time to cook breakfast, there's no more excuses. Grab you one of these and head out the door. All right, I know we're all busy. We all have busy lifestyles. That's when these come in clutch. If you keep a few of these in your fridge, you will be ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Come on now. There's so many options. If 30 grams is too much, you can go get you a 20 gram one. I mean, whatever fits into your personal diet, your personal goals. Make sure you know what your daily protein count is. What is your daily protein goal? Go figure that out. Whatever body weight you want to be at. So let's say if you want to get down to 150, try to get you 150 grams protein a day. All right. And the only way to know that is you're going to have to track it. I say it all the time. Go download MyFitnessPal and track your food. You will know how much protein you're getting plus everything else. And it'll tell you if you're eating healthy or not. All right. And if you don't want to do the drinks, these are great options as well. I keep these in stock. All right. Ratio is my favorite. All right. Ratio is my favorite. 25 grams of protein. You can't beat it. You can have it by itself like this. Another thing I like to do is put frozen berries on top with a little bit of honey, and I get down like that. It is so good. So these are great at nighttime too. If ice cream is your downfall, try this right here. Okay. If you're like, man, I cannot stop eating ice cream at nighttime, go get you one of these. Put a little fruit on top with a little bit of honey, mix it in. That will knock out your sweet tooth, and you're getting 25 grams of protein, all right? Now, if you don't want to go with Ratio, not a problem. There's all kinds of different options, okay? Just make sure it has around, 20 grams of protein or so and up, okay? So these are a cheat code as well. I keep these in the fridge. These come in clutch in the morning for a breakfast. Quick breakfast, you don't have time to cook. Grab you one of these, grab your spoon, you're ready to go. Great snack, a great nighttime snack. If you struggle with a sweet tooth, these will help you out, all right? When that sweet tooth kicks in, kick back on one of these, all right? Oh, one more thing I found while I was here at Target, I was walking by, and I usually get these at Costco. I get the big bag, but check these out. Have y'all ever tried these right here? These edamames, man, these things are a great snack. I've had these before. Great way to get some quick and easy protein. Mix it with don't mix it. Pair it with like a carbonated water. Make sure you don't mix it. I don't know how that's gonna taste, but pair it with the carbonated water and it will knock out your hunger, okay? It'll help you get to your next meal. Plus you're getting protein and fiber. Let's look at the nutrition on this one. So we're looking at 130 calories, 6 grams of fat, 3 net carbs, 6 grams of fiber. Come on now, and 13 grams of protein. Come on, that is a great snack to have, okay? So you put this with like maybe even a string cheese and a carbonated water and you're good to go. Or maybe like an A&W root beer or something like that. That will get you to your next meal. You have a high protein, healthy snack with the quickness. The only being, these are great. If you're at Target, check them out. If you're at Costco, go get the big bag. But I saw these, I'm like, man, I gotta grab some of these. These are good, okay? So definitely check these out. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. You just have to stay ready. All right. So let me know in the comments what you like to use for your stay ready meals. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to provide some value to help you stay ready so that you don't go make a decision you shouldn't be making that won't help you hit your goals. Okay. So let me know what you think on this video, and I will talk to you next time. Let's go.